Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson we will be creating our project folder as well as creating a virtual environment for our application. So the first thing that we need to do is create a new folder for our project. So we can right click and select new folder and we will call it EBISYS tutorials. Okay, and then we open up the folder. And inside of the folder we will create our project folder. We will call it Water Watch. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is open the folder and then we are going to copy the path to the folder. So we will need this path to create our virtual environment. So now let's open up our command line prompt. Okay, so we'll change the directory cd and we can paste the location of our Water Watch project folder and then press enter. Okay, so now we are in there. And now the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to use the Python pip installer to install a tool called virtualenv. So virtualenv will allow us to create our Python virtual environment. So we run pip install virtualenv. Okay, so virtualenv is installed successfully. So now the next thing that we need to do is we need to create our virtual environment. So to do that, we will type in virtualenv. And then the name of the virtual environment can be any name you want. We will name it venv. Okay, so our virtual environment has been created. So now let's verify that. So we'll just run dir. Okay, so we can see that our virtual environment folder was created. We can also verify that inside of our project folder. So here it is. Okay, so now let's test and see if our virtual environment works. So to activate our virtual environment, we will run the following command: venv \scripts and then \activate. Okay, so you'll see the prefix is venv. So this means that our virtual environment is active. So any third-party libraries that we will install now will be installed inside this virtual environment. And that is separate from our system so that we don't have any conflicting third-party libraries. So now let's deactivate it. We can type in deactivate. Okay, so as you can see, the venv prefix is gone. So now we are back to our normal system path. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.